Welcome back to AI Cordelia. How are you doing, my friends? After a brief gap, I am back with a great AI news. So, Elon Musk announced the launch of Grok 4, the next big leap in AI. So, what he tweeted, good progress will be called Grok 4, released just after July 4th, needs one more big run for a specialized coding model. So, Elon Musk's XAI is about to change the game. So, Elon Musk is saying that he's releasing Grok 4 somewhere around July 4 or after July 4, and he's skipping Grok 3.5 and straight ahead jumping to Grok 4, which is a great and big news. It may surpass many big LLM models like ChatGPT o3 Pro, I'm sorry, like ChatGPT o3 Pro latest model. And let's dive in what is the updates. By the way, I have created this presentation about the updates on Manus AI to make things simple. That's why I use AI, and that's what we all want to use AI to make our repetitive tasks easier. You can find the link of Manus AI in the descriptions. If you use my code, you will get 500 free credits so that you can play around, make website, make slides, and so on. So let's continue with this big news. Release date and hype. June 27, 2025, Elon Musk announced on X that Grok 4 will launch just after July 4th. Version leap originally planned as Grok 3.5, now upgraded to Grok 4 due to significant improvements. Specialized focus, XAI team working to specialized coding model. Grok 4 is undergoing a big run for training, likely using XAI's Colossus supercomputer with over 200,000 NVIDIA GPUs. So Elon must have the biggest biggest colossus of these GPUs, and he's training Grok 4 on this. So I'm getting goosebump by knowing this because I always get excited when something bigger, something next level AI is coming. So this isn't just a minor update. Grok 4 is skipping a version number, signaling a massive leap in AI capabilities. First principles approach, Grok 4 aims to reduce reliance on flawed data by reasoning from fundamental principles. So specialized coding model, advanced code generation, generate complete production ready code with proper error handling and optimizations, not just code snippets. It also intelligent in debugging, identify and fix complex bugs by understanding the underlying logic and system architecture, build complex scientific models and simulations for research and engineering applications. XAPI's Bill Yuchen Lin teased that Grok 4's coding capabilities are pure joy and will tackle real world coding problems. So you can see the Grok 4 native editor. So I'm a vibe coder. I don't know about the much about real coding. So you can look at this. So native code editor, a VS Code like interface is in development for Grok's web platform, enabling direct code editing and debugging, agentic coding capabilities, real-time collaboration. First principles reasoning. So how it reason? So beyond pattern matching. Unlike other AI models that rely on pattern matching web data, Grok 4 will reason in fundamental principles, significantly reducing hallucinations and improving accuracy. And that is a big news, guys, because we use AI in our business, our daily life, our task, our repetitive task, and so on. And right now we are facing hallucination problems up to I think 25% or 30%, but Grok 4 will tackle hallucinations by training their model like this. Grok 4 will rewrite the entire human knowledge base, correcting errors and filling gaps in data. Elon Musk. Key applications: rocket engineering, solving complex uh, propulsion and aerodynamics challenges. That's also there. Electrochemical technology, advancing battery design and energy storage solutions, scientific research, accelerating discoveries through accurate modeling. Traditional AI approach versus Grok Force approach. So we are comparing both hand to hand right now. So you can read with me or just listen to me. Pattern matching. So traditional AI relies on statistical pattern in training data. Grok Force first principle reasoning builds knowledge from fundamental truths. Data dependency in traditional AIs, quality limitations by training data quality, and in self verification, Grok 4 doing self verification validates output against core principles. Hallucinations can generate plausible but incorrect information, and in Grok 4's case, knowledge correction identifies and fixes error in source data. This approach makes Grok 4 go-to tool for engineers and researchers tackling niche problems where data may be limited or flawed. Enhanced performance. So these are the benchmark expectation. You can see green color, ChatGPT 4o is green colored, Gemini 2 is in purple color, Grok 3 is in blue color, and this Grok 4 in this color. I think this teal bluish color, getting ahead from all models in mathematics. In science also, it's surpassing all latest models. In coding, it surpassed all model very badly. In fact, it's surpassing ChatGPT 4o by like huge amount. Also in reasoning, it's surpassing all models. So 10x more compute than Grok 2, 200K plus NVIDIA GPUs in Colossus. We will just talk about it. So I think this is the facility of Elon Musk. Key features: deep research. So a next generation search engine that goes beyond simple keyword matching to understand concept and relationships. Grok 4 enhances this with first principle reasoning validation and results. Big brain mode, specializing mode for complex problem solving that allocates additional computation resources. Grok 4 improves this with more efficient resource allocation and deeper reasoning capabilities. Multimodal multimodal understanding, enhance the ability to process and generate text, images, and audio, and code simultaneously create a more integrated and nature interaction experience. Real-time processing, significantly faster response times ever, even for complex queries, enabling more interactive and dynamic applications like real-time code debugging and science scientific modeling. Okay, I will try to link this presentation uh, link in the description or pinned comment so that you can read it yourself. And I made it for you. How Grok Force stacks up. So OpenAI's GPT-4o, the current market leader with strong multimodal capabilities, Grok's edge, superior math and science performance, less bias. Google's Gemini 2, strong in search integration and knowledge retrieval, Grok's Edge, first principle reasoning, specialized coding focus. By Grok's means it means Grok 4. DeepSeek's model, emerging competitor with strong technical capabilities, Grok 4's Edge, massive computational resource, integrated platform. So must focus on maximally truth-seeking AI sets Grok apart, aiming to avoid the biases he criticized in competitors. So what do you think about it? Are you excited or what opinion about it? Just tell me in the comment. And if you really like to support my new channel, please subscribe and like this and share this video to your known ones. So you can see this diagram again. This is color coded. So multimodal speed, math, science in all the segments. Coding tool disruptions. Grok 4 coding focus could disrupt tools like GitHub Copilot or Cursor, especially with its native code editor. We'll see that, but it's a big claim. If it will be true that it will disrupt, it will disrupt the market. Search revolution. Deep search capabilities could challenge traditional search engine by providing more accurate verified results. Research acceleration, first principle reasoning could accelerate scientific research and engineering breakthroughs. So how to access Grok 4? So subscription options, X Premium, that is $40 per month, and Super Grok, that is $30 per month. So I think for this kind of powerful LLM, $40 per month is not too much. And maybe we'll wait for the launch. Maybe for free users also, there will be some limited use of Grok 4. Who knows? So future roadmap, July 2024, initial release of Grok 4 with specialized coding model. August 2025, voice mode and API access, and which is great. We all need API access, of course, and of course, voice mode is expected. Q4 2025, open sourcing of Grok 2 once Grok 3 stabilizes. 2026, expanded enterprise offerings and specialized industry models. What are the conclusion? Key takeaway, launch timeline, Grok 4 is set to launch right after July 2025. Specialize in coding, first principle reasoning, market impact, positioning to rival OpenAI's GPT-4o, Google's Gemini 2, and potentially. So I think this is not true. It's Google. Its competitors are Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro and OpenAI's O3 Pro. So that was the video about the release of Grok 4. So if you think I give some value, just then subscribe and comment if you like to ask some question. And I meet you in the next video.